Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. And on we'll go.
Hey girls, take a seat. We got another makeup video for you guys today. I am wanting to do some shadow today, like a full beat down, like a full like eyes, everything. So I'm saying that right now, but we're gonna see. So we're gonna jump right in to prime my skin with the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. And I am gonna double prime my skin because sometimes, like, I don't want any dry patches. For my primer, I am going to use my Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Primer. Take my Versace Rose Gold Skin Mist and just give me a pump because I don't want to run to any dry patches that I might have. For foundation, I'm going to be using my NARS foundation in New Caledonia. This is like one of my favorites at the moment. Like, can y'all believe I have a freaking favorite foundation? And then I am going to take my Morphe 439 brush and blend this out. Okay, so for concealer, I am going to use my Pat McGrath concealer, and this is MD28, and this is a more of a orange based concealer. And I'm going to go in and put this usually where I would highlight my face. And what this is doing, it is taking away any discoloration that I might have that foundation did not cover up. Taking my blurring concealer brush and blend this out. Okay, for my next concealer, now that I have that blended out, it's just kind of correcting any areas that foundation did not correct. I am going to go in my NARS concealer in Amande, and I'm going to take that same concealer brush and I'm literally going to go right underneath. Putting this everywhere where I will highlight my face. Put just a little bit. For contour, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty in 490. Now, I've never really did this with this concealer before to contour my face, so this is a first. Put a little bit because this kind of scared. And my blurring foundation contour brush from Smashbox and blending this out. The Morphe 173 brush and blend this contour out. So this is how we're looking so far before we blend that concealer out. And with brushes like this, with any brush really, if the closer you get to the top, that's the more pressure that you will have on a brush. If you go very like down here, that's how much pressure you will have. So basically just think about it. If you go all the way to the top, that's full coverage. If you go all the way to the bottom, that's really light coverage. And I'm gonna go like kind of in the middle, because this concealer is very like it dries down really quick, but I like the coverage of it, so I don't want the coverage to really go anywhere. So I'm gonna go like down some so I can keep as much coverage without having to add any more product. This is how we're looking. I feel like it looks gorgeous as of now. Translucent honey, and this is a Morphe setting brush. I mean a Real Techniques setting brush. Really tapping this in. For the little sharp, like to clean up around there, I am going to go in Translucent by Laura Mercier. Benefit bronzer and Toasted. My Morphe M173, and literally okay guys, so now that I have that blended out, I have my bronzer on, I am going to take my Morphe banana powder, and I'm literally going to take a little bit on the e.l.f. blending sponge, going to excess off, and I'm going to take this and go right underneath here just to give me a brighter under eye. If you don't know, banana is to brighten everything. Any banana powder is known to brighten. Okay, I'm literally just putting a tad bit. You guys know I love a bright under eye. Take Mocha Mami, and this is, I don't even know where this brush is from, but it's like my favorite bronzer brush, and I'm literally gonna go right on top of everywhere that I use Hula Toasted. I'm gonna take my Morphe Luminous setting spray and spray this to get the powder off of my face, just like that powdery look off my face. I'm a firm believer in setting like 4 or 5 times. I'm gonna do my brows, and then I'm gonna, okay, so now it is time for the eyes. I don't really know how to do eyeshadow, so don't judge me. So first we're gonna start by priming our eyes with Primer 3. Besides, take my Real Techniques Deluxe crease brush, and I'm gonna tap this. I'm beauty blending to make sure it's all blended out. A Laura setting powder and setting dish. So for my eyes today, I am going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. So I am gonna go into Buns. I never knew they had the names on the back. So an SBN, and this is gonna be my transition shade, and I am gonna transition. So I took, this is the second roll. It's chip or mocha, child. I don't know, the way she got these little this worded on here, it's a little backwards, but it's that dark brown. And I'm taking this and just going on the outer V area. Now I think this is a Morphe 532 brush. Oh, 573. Girl, look at me trying to act like I know. A Pookie. Girl, who is Pookie? Tapping the excess off, and I'm literally gonna go right in between just to blend this out. Just to kind of diffuse the harsh lines. The black, and I'm gonna tap that right there just to kind of smoke it out, just to tap it more. Okay. Rumor base, putting some on the back of my hand. Elf. This is not even Elf. This is a Wet n Wild brush, and I literally don't even know the name of this brush. It's literally like a flat brush, but this is the only way that I could cut crease my eyes is with this brush. And it's not even going to be a cut crease. It's literally going to be just watch. Morphe 503 brush, and I'm going back into Pookie, and then I'm also gonna grab, that's not Firework, that's definitely Butter. This right on the lid. So this is the Pat McGrath liner. It's just the Pat McGrath. I don't know if they have any other liners, but I think this is just the Pat McGrath liners, and this is in the shade Extreme Black. This liner, and I am gonna try to line the top of my eyes, but I'm only gonna go here. Like so, girl, I know my brush. This is a Morphe 213 brush, and I'm gonna go right back into that black, and I'm literally gonna go right on top where I just placed this, just to set that so it won't slide and move. Does this have glitter in it? I'm gonna take that same Pat McGrath liner, and I'm gonna line the bottom of my eyes, but I'm gonna stop. Like, I'm not gonna go all the way into my eye. I'm gonna stop like midway. Like, this is the blackest liner I've ever had in my life. That Morphe 213 brush, and I am gonna go and set. I'm not gonna smoke it, I'm just setting it. So I am gonna apply my lashes, and then I'm gonna come back and just finish everything. Hopefully I'm not looking crazy on y'all ends, so I'll be back. Okay guys, so I went and popped my lashes on really quick. I'm feeling like really dark, like real dark. NC42 with my Sephora 79 brush. Tap the excess off and just go right underneath there. Being real careful because I put mascara on already. Take my bronzer, and this is in Cocoa Naughty. This is the more like lighter one, I guess. And I'm gonna dust this off by me taking that powder, call it Tilbury bronzer, and just go over this one more time. Bronzer, child, you need to go get it. Okay, I'm gonna take a Real Techniques brush. I don't even know how I got bent up like this. I really don't. But I'm gonna take this and just blend everything together. It's blush time, it's blush time. Blush brush by Real Techniques in my Sarah Hand Blush 1 palette. And I am going in with Toby. And I am gonna blush my cheeks. Taking this blush and going across my nose. My Sephora, this is not the Micro Smooth, the other one, but it's cracked so I can't open it. And this is in Mocha. Set my face with this. It's 11/11, make a wish. I did pick up the Juvia's Place Cola. Let's just see how this look. You know what? Cork like kind of lays on my lips. Like it's just like a base. Cola by Juvia's. What? It's not really gliding on with that. So I'm going to take Chestnut. I take Molasses. Let me just say this is like the creamiest lip liner, and I'm really gonna emphasize that top lip. Take Eartha, Uoama Beauty Eartha. Go in. Like when I find the perfect lip for me, it's very rare that I change it. Take my Lime Crime Extra Poppin'. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I tried to give you something different, something with my eyes, just something different, and I am loving it. I feel like I look so pretty right now. It's a goal, right? To look gorgeous everywhere we go. Every finished look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to join the family. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to follow me on IG. I love you guys so much.